In this video I'll show you how we can create the table in notes section. So let's say if you want to make some notes and you want to make in table form, so it's very easy. So let's follow that step and you can make very easy the table format. So just create the new notes. So this is a new note thing. So when you click on that icon, which is you can relate with the icon, it shows the table. When you click on it, it will give you by default 2x2 table, you can see, and you'll find a couple of 3 dots on the left side and 3 dots on the top. So what does that mean? So let's see. So let's say if you wanna add the third row, you can just keep typing, and when you press next, so it will create the third one easily. But let's see if you want to add the row in the table format. So just click here and you'll see this is the add row, delete row, and you can paste something on it. And the same thing, right? If you click on the right corner, this is the one. On the top numbers, when you click on it, you'll see this is the one, and you can add the column on it. So on the top 3 dots are for the columns, and the left 3 dots are for the row. So you can cut paste everything, and you can just make the notes, and it will save in your notes section. So just go to the notes. You'll see here this is the table format, and this is the hand notes. Thumbs up if you like the video.